Hello and welcome everyone. This video is really important for all the qualified chartered accountants of November 24 examination. In this video, I'm going to be discussing about what are the steps and procedures for small campus placements. What are the things you have to keep in mind when you're going to be applying for a small campus? And if you want to change your center for a small campus placements, what is the procedure which is there? This video को ध्यान से देखना and before you move forward for this video, I would request all of you to please subscribe this channel so that you don't miss out on important updates which is related to interview training and placements. Also, I will be attaching a lot of files including the previous campus placements में जो companies आई थी which were there in a small campus, which is going to be helping you to decide the center. So request you to please go through the files which are there, which is going to be helping you as an edge. Now let us come and understand what all things you have to do before you're going to be going for campus placement. सबसे पहले you have to go to your website, ICAI campus placement website. Let me just go to the ICAI campus placement website. जैसे आप यहाँ पे जाएंगे, you'll be able to find out a ICAI campus placement website which is there. जैसे आप यहाँ पे अपलोड चले जाएंगे, you'll be able to see the details of the companies and all the stuff which is there, and of course you have to log in, right? आपको log in करना है. Now the first biggest question is who is eligible for a small campus placement? If you have got placed, अगर आपका placement हो चुका है in a big center, if you have got placed in any of the companies and you have given a consent on the portal, you are not eligible for a small campus placement. In short, generally institute what they try to do, they will try to block your account, they will try to block your portal access, right? If you have got placed in a big campus, right? अगर आप log in कर पा रहे हो कुछ इस तरीके से, तो आप eligible हो जाओगे small campus के लिए. Okay, now once it is there, let us also understand few important details and guidelines related to the small campus placements. ठीक है, ध्यान से समझिएगा प्लीज, इस टाइमलाइन को भी ध्यान से देखिएगा which is there. Now before I move forward, it says there are multiple small centers which are available. काफी सारे छोटे छोटे centers है which are there, right? Like भुवनेश्वर, भोपाल, चंडीगढ़, right? Coimbatore, Durgapur, Nagpur, Noida, Patna, right? For the candidates opting for a small centers, the registration will open till right 23rd of February. मतलब क्या, there are few people those who have not registered for a big campus and now they wish to sit for a small campus are also able to register for themselves, right? Same fees रहेगा 1500 which they have to pay. Now the most important thing, sir, what are the timelines for the small center? एक बार timeline समझ लेते हैं, then I'll come to it कि how you can change your center as well. Okay, now let us see the timeline which is there. It is the same brochure which is uploaded on the ICAI website. You can just download it from there itself. I have just downloaded the same from there itself. Now let's see what is the timeline. Let me draw a timeline for you guys. लास्ट डेट फॉर द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन रजिस्ट्रेशन, मतलब कंपनी रजिस्ट्रेशन के लिए लास्ट डेट है विच इज 24th of February. जो कंपनीज आना चाहती है उनके लिए 24th of February इज द लास्ट डेट. लास्ट डेट ऑफ ऑनलाइन शॉर्टलिस्टिंग बाय द ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस, मतलब द कंपनीज को इस तारीख, कंपनीज हैव टू शॉर्टलिस्ट ऑन दिस डेज. On which date it is going to be visible on your portal? On your portal it is going to be visible on 28th of February till 2nd of March. So the first important timeline for me is the first important timeline for me is 28th of Feb 28th of Feb to 2nd of March 2025 is the first important timeline for me. ये टाइमलाइन का मुझे बहुत ही ज्यादा ध्यान रखना पड़ेगा बिकॉज दिस टाइमलाइन इज गोना बी हेल्पिंग मी टू गेट एन आइडिया ऑन द फर्स्ट शॉर्टलिस्टिंग, right? The criteria of the first and the second shortlisting is going to be the same which was there for a big campus. That means first shortlisting plus second shortlisting you will be able to give a consent to total 4 companies which is there. Now again I'll be explaining it out to you guys, don't worry. After that is done, the second shortlisting you will be able to see it on your portal on online consent by the candidate on 5th and 6th of March. ये दिन आपके लिए बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. यू कैन नॉट मिस आउट दिस डेट्स गाइस. दिस डेट्स आर रियली इंपॉर्टेंट. यू हैव टू बी देयर ऑन द पोर्टल एंड चेक आउट योर shortlisting which is there. Now after this is done, please understand, imagine that you have given a consent to 0 companies here. You can give a consent to 4 companies, 1 company, 3 company, 2 company, 2 company, right? Total आप 4 companies को consent दे सकते हो provided you have got a shortlisting for the companies which is there. So how many companies will shortlist me? I also don't know. It's like a same like a big campus. जितने big campus में था उतना ही है, राइट राइट. तो ये अगर आपको डिटेल में समझना है तो आप मेरे बिग कैंपस वाला वीडियो भी देख सकते हो which is going to be there on the I button. You will be able to understand it in a detail. Now next, moving forward to the very interesting thing, sir, I have selected some of the center, या मैंने कोई सेंटर चूज ही नहीं किया था. से फॉर एग्जाम्पल, राइट, इफ यू कुड सी ऑन माई लॉग इन, अगर आप मेरा लॉग इन पेज पे देखोगे सर, जब मैंने फॉर्म फिल आउट कर रहा था तो दैट टाइम आई हैव सिलेक्टेड वन ऑफ द सेंटर विच इज देयर आई थिंक तब मैंने मान लो एक नोएडा सेंटर चूज किया था यार, ऐसा कोई सेंटर चूज किया था जो अभी मुझे चेंज करना है. व्हाट इज द प्रोसीजर टू चेंज द सेम, राइट? व्हाट इज द प्रोसीजर टू चेंज द सेम? अब ये प्रोसीजर इंस्टीट्यूट ने खुद ने लिखा है, विच इज देयर. लेट्स सी दिस आउट, विच इज देयर. ओके, हाँ, एक सेकंड दीजिए, कहाँ पे लिखा है, ये रहा. In event of, ध्यान से पढ़ते हैं, in the event of not being selected in a big center but wish to change the small center, you can do so by mailing at cajobs@ici.in. ये आपको मेल कर देना है, राइट? इफ यू वांट टू चेंज योर सेंटर, यू कैन मेल इट टू cajobs@ici.in. अब इन्होंने डेट लिखा है बिफोर 14th ऑफ मार्च, बट 14th ऑफ मार्च 2025 को नहीं भाई, क्योंकि ये थोड़ा सा आई थिंक गलत लिख दिया इंस्टीट्यूट में. प्लीज समझिए, अगर आपको लगता है कि टू चेंज इट अर्ली, प्लीज डू इट, बिकॉज 14th मार्च तक के यार शॉर्टलिस्टिंग भी हो जाएगी. एंड इनफैक्ट फ्यू सेंटर्स विल ऑलरेडी स्टार्ट कंडक्टिंग द इंटरव्यूज यार. So you have to do it as soon as possible, and I think 23rd of the February is the date where you have to send it out. तो इसके पहले अगर आप सेंटर चेंज करना चाहते हो, if you want to change the center, please email it to ICAI before 23rd of Feb. Please understand, it's your journey, it's your life race, which you have to do it out. सर सेकंड बिगेस्ट क्वेश्चन इज व्हाट ऑल थिंग्स, सर ऐसा कुछ बता दो ना कि कोई कौन से सेंटर्स पे कौन सी कंपनीज आएगी. तो दिस इज अ लिस्ट ऑफ कंपनीज व्हिच यू कैन सी इट ऑन माय स्क्रीन. दिस आर द लिस्ट ऑफ कंपनीज व्हिच हैव केम इन द आईसीए कैंपस प्लेसमेंट व्हिच वाज ऑन 68th कैंपस प्लेसमेंट, मतलब पिछले कैंपस के. इवन आई डोंट नो व्हिच ऑल कंपनीज विल बी कमिंग इन योर कैंपस, but what I can do it for you is I can share you the list of companies which have came in the previous campus placements which is there. ये लिस्ट मैं आपके साथ शेयर कर देता हूँ. ये लिस्ट you will be able to find it out in a description. इसके साथ साथ if you are genuinely serious and looking to prepare for off campus placements, two great things for you. Number one, please join out the finance community which is there on the description. Lot of job vacancies are posted there every day. That is one thing. Second great thing which we have done for you is, right, if you're seriously interested to prepare for your interviews, you can also visit our website camong.com and you can check our interview training workshop which is there. Right, our recorded batches available and a lot of discounts is also going on, so you can go on interview price batches and you can just register for it. You can see the promo code on your screen. थोड़े दिन की बात है, अभी available है, ले लीजिए. अगर आप serious हो तो definitely you can take an edge of the same. Now coming back to our discussion, you can download this list and see which all companies have came in the small campus last time. अब जरूरी नहीं है this companies might come, but हो सकता है ये companies repeat हो जाए, which is there. Now, will this campus be physical or a virtual? देखो, ideally it's written in the brochure that it's going to be physical, but last time many of the companies opted for a virtual mode, which is there, right? So no need to worry about it. अभी के लिए आपको important है to secure and get a job, which is most important thing. Got it, sir. तो ये चीज मुझे मिल गई यहाँ से. Next, sir, when did I come to know all the shortlisting? This two dates you'll come to know about your shortlisting, and depending on a center you are going to be choosing in. राइट, डिपेंडिंग ऑन द सेंटर यू आर गोना बी चूजिंग इन, जो भी आप सेंटर चूज करते हो उसके बेसिस पे यू विल बी गिविंग एन इंटरव्यू ऑन द रिस्पेक्टिव डेट्स व्हिच आर मेंशन्ड हियर. ठीक है, ये डेट्स आपकी है, ये आपके लिए इंपॉर्टेंट है. नाउ लास्ट फ्यू थिंग बिफोर वी मूव फॉरवर्ड एंड क्लोज फॉर द डिस्कशन आउट. Many of you are not able to clear your interviews because of few mistakes which you are going to be doing. I'll be uploading a one more video. What are the common mistakes you did because of which many of you are not getting placed? That is one. Second most important thing is I have tried my best to create free tools for you guys which is going to be helping you to prepare for your interviews in a very nice way. This is one of the tool which is called as a typing test. You can put a typing test speed on your resume as well. That is going to be helping you to get an edge. You will be able to see how much is your typing speed. Whenever you go out here, just click on a start practicing and you can just start typing it out, right, which is there. And if your typing speed is great, you will also get the certificate at the end of this. राइट, आपको एक बढ़िया सा सर्टिफिकेट मिल जाएगा विच यू कैन जस्ट पुट इट आउट इन योर CV एज वेल. ठीक है, आप ये सर्टिफिकेट भी मिल सकता है आपको. आप अगर जाओगे तो यहाँ पे आपको एक बढ़िया सा एक सर्टिफिकेट मिलेगा, राइट, जो कि इस तरीके से कुछ दिखेगा. यू कैन पुट दिस सर्टिफिकेट ऑन योर रेज्यूमे विच इज गोना बी हेल्पिंग यू टू एन एज. That is one. Second, many of you are not able to clear your interviews because of English communication. भाई ये almost देखो, once you log in, you get a 50 coins on tools.cmong.com. When you complete your profile, you get 50 coins, तो 100 coins हम ही दे रहे हैं. तो काफी सारी चीजें आपको फ्री में आप यूज कर सकते हो. Please request you to please practice it out. When if you're not good at speaking skills, go and click on speaking. So you'll get 4 simple bot which you can use it out, like reading aloud, right? Test your mic. Once this is done, say the same word which is written here. Once it is done, you will be able to give the test. Listen and speak, right? तो आपके test चालू हो जाएगी once your mic testing is done. So request you to please practice it out using this bot and tools which is there. Also prepare for your interviews very nicely, because once an opportunity is gone, it's gone forever, guys. Please understand this. राइट, एंड आई डोंट वांट यू टू मिस आउट एनी ऑफ द थिंग फॉर योर इंटरव्यूज गाइस, ठीक है। इसके अलावा इफ यू नीड एनी हेल्प रिलेटेड टू इंटरव्यू ट्रेनिंग एंड प्लेसमेंट्स, डू लेट मी नो इन द कमेंट सेक्शन। इफ यू हैव एनी डाउट्स रिलेटेड टू द स्मॉल कैंपस प्लेसमेंट्स, डू लेट me know. One more thing, so do we need to register separately for a small campus? No, if you've already registered for a big campus, you're not required to register it separately. That is one. Center change कैसे करना वो बता दिया मैंने। इसके अलावा अगर आपको कोई डाउट्स और क्वेरीज आती है regarding the ICAI campus, right, so ICAI have provided a separate detailed helpline number and the email ID. You can just reach out to them on this helpline number or the email ID which you are able to see it on the screen itself. ठीक है, और इसके अलावा अगर और भी कोई क्वेरीज आती है, पुट इट आउट इन द कमेंट सेक्शन। विश यू ऑल द बेस्ट फॉर योर इंटरव्यू ट्रेनिंग्स एंड प्लेसमेंट्स। बढ़िया से करिए और जो भी सपना लिया उसको पूरा करने का टाइम आ चुका है, तो प्रिपेयर वेल।